Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman, and today we will see unboxing and review of Chyavanprash from Zandu. And I ordered a combo pack that consists of Zandu Chyavanprash, Zandu Kesari Jeevan and Zandu Tulsi drops from Zandu website. So as you can see, you will get all the packages in a box that is showing the logo of Zandu, and it is packed with this tape. I purchased these three items for about rupees 600, and if you purchase this separately it will cost you more than 7 to 800 rupees. And we are getting an invoice copy in this and a promotional paper in which you can find different products from this Chandu and what are their qualities, or let's say what are the uses. So we are getting these three boxes. This is Zandu Tulsi drops, Zandu Chyavanprash and Zandu Kesari Jeevan. From this, I will say if you like the sweet taste of Chyavanprash, you can go for Kesari Jeevan, and Kesari Jeevan has kesars in it. And so this is the packet. It is packed, and as you can see, if I open this, it has that seal. I am getting this Zandu Kesari Jeevan in this box, and again it is sealed pack. Overall, I will say the Tulsi drops. It is nice. You can use this while making tea, and you can use this both Chyavanprash and Kesari Jeevan during your morning time. From this two, if I say I like this Kesari Jeevan taste. It is very nice. And if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel, Wise Man. Thank you.